Remember back in March when the price of Shiba Inu tripled in less than a week? That seems insignificant in relation to what is currently taking place. Something huge has been uncovered in the past day, and it is completely upending the cryptocurrency industry. Not just for Shiba Inu, but for the overall cryptocurrency market. They are some of the most optimistic signals we've ever seen. I'm referring to over a decade of anticipation for this particular event. You will recognize how uncommon and important this is if you have been in the cryptocurrency sector for some time. You don't trust me? So that you can completely understand why this might be a game changer for Shiba Inu and the larger cryptocurrency industry, allow me to walk you through every step of it. For Shiba Inus, this is a truly amazing day. The price increase that we are currently witnessing is very remarkable. If Shiba Inu's 20% plus increase wasn't enough to grab your attention, the trading volume has increased by an astounding 203%. You read correctly, a 203% increase in trading volume in a single day. It's almost incredible how much activity there is in the Shiba Inu area. The rise in market capitalization, however, is even more remarkable. In just the last day, Shiba Inu's market capitalization has increased by an incredible $3.3 billion. Take a moment to consider the fact that billions of dollars have poured into a meme coin in such a short period of time. It serves as a reminder of how erratic and volatile the cryptocurrency world can be. Now, some people may think this is just another meme moment, but I can assure you that it isn't. Something considerably more significant is taking place here. Though it may have begun as a joke, Shiba Inus have evolved into much more. The current situation is the outcome of years of increasing support and significant funding. The fact that people are beginning to take Shiba Inu seriously is demonstrated by this pump. With additional traders and investors joining the market, the current trend might easily continue to drive the price upward. Naturally, volatility is a danger associated with any rally of this magnitude. However, Shiba Inus are undoubtedly enjoying a moment in the spotlight right now, and nobody can afford to ignore it. The rapidity of the recovery is what makes today's pump so intriguing. Take a moment to comprehend that Shiba Inu has just wiped out 64 days of downward action in just 10 days. That's more than 2 months worth of losses wiped out in just over a week. It is uncommon to witness such a swift recovery, particularly when it comes to a meme coin. It's an obvious indication of how swiftly events in the cryptocurrency market may shift when a project has sufficient traction and enthusiasm. Such a turnaround may be a huge game changer for investors. It's difficult to hang on to your investment amid a 64-day losing streak. It's likely that many investors were feeling disheartened and may be questioning their choice to continue playing the game. Now, however, the roles are reversed. Those that persevered through the difficult times are probably feeling relieved and validated by the present upswing. It serves as a reminder of their initial motivation for believing in Shiba Inus. For them, this is a confirmation of their patience and belief in the project's future, not merely a price pump. The response from Shiba Inu's principal developer, Satoshi Kusama, is even more intriguing. If you have been a long-time follower of Shiba Inu, you are aware that Satoshi rarely tweets. He publishes very thoughtfully, and when he does share something, it's generally a significant one. Satoshi posted a straightforward picture of a smirking face on Twitter today. Although it may not seem like much at first, it speaks a lot given the circumstances. He seems to be saying, "I told you this was coming," with that smirk, which is almost like a knowing wink to the community. This seems like a conscious allusion to the enormous pump we're witnessing, given how meticulously Satoshi schedules his tweets. His method of recognizing the surge, without giving too much away, is this. It's a clear indication that Shiba Inu is headed in the correct direction for those who are listening. However, this begs the crucial question: what is causing this pump? Why is Shiba Inus becoming so popular? And why is the meme industry as a whole growing as well? we must examine the larger cryptocurrency industry more closely in order to comprehend what is taking here. It all begins with Bitcoin. A Twitter message that went viral has been making headlines for the past few days. An intriguing historical trend is highlighted in the piece. It states, 159 days have passed since the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin debuted 5 days after this date in 2016 and about 4 days after this date in 2020. At the moment, Bitcoin is in a fairly favorable position. Because it implies that Bitcoin is about to make a significant breakthrough, this type of post generates a lot of excitement in the cryptocurrency community. The rest of the cryptocurrency market is frequently pulled along with Bitcoin when it fluctuates. The fact that over $1 billion in inflows have been made into Bitcoin ETFs in the last 12 trading days only serves to heighten the frenzy. Considering that these ETFs were experiencing consistent outflows only a few weeks ago, this is a significant change. The entire cryptocurrency market was having difficulties at the moment. The sentiment automatically was negative and prices were down. Now, however, everything is different. The enormous influx of money into Bitcoin ETFs indicates that investor confidence is rising again, and that this confidence is extending throughout the market. And BlackRock is at the center of it all once more. BlackRock has bought an incredible 350,000 of Bitcoin since January 2024, totaling more than $23 billion. Let that sink in. One of the biggest banks in the world is entering the Bitcoin market in a way never seen before. Even more amazing is a recent finding made by an expert who tallied all of the Bitcoin ETF holdings. His research indicates that these ETFs are currently 92% of the way to a Bitcoin million. The fact that they are 83% of the way to overtaking Satoshi Nakamoto as the biggest Bitcoin holder is even more astounding. This is a moment that will change the game. There will be a significant change in the cryptocurrency landscape if BlackRock and these ETFs surpass Satoshi's holdings. Although Bitcoin has been considered a decentralized asset for more than 10 years, this would mark the beginning of a new period of institutional domination. What is the connection between Shiba Inus and all of this? What causes Shiba Inus to pump? The relationship between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin holds the key to the solution. Shiba Inu's price tripled in less than a week back in March, when Bitcoin ETFs were initially authorized and began to see significant inflows. We are currently witnessing a similar pattern. Shiba Inu is benefiting from the spike in Bitcoin brought on by ETF inflows. Additionally, Shiba Inu's pump has considerably more momentum this time. With institutional capital flooding the market and Bitcoin at the forefront, Shiba Inu may be poised for yet another dramatic surge. If Bitcoin keeps rising, Shiba Inus might achieve greater heights more quickly than anyone anticipated.